How can you activate your UBO Bank credit card online? Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to activate your UBO Bank credit card. In order to do it, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Then open up a browser. On the web address bar, you want to type in www.ubo.com.sg/personal/card/services/card activation page. Once you type in that information, you'll be taken to the official page where you could go ahead and directly activate your card. For that, you want to click the activate card button from the top of the page. When you press on it, you'll be where you need to scroll down a bit and you could find this link as online activate. Now click on activate now. You'll be asked to provide in your credit card number or the debit card number and verify the code as well and click the continue button. Once you've done it, next page, you'll be asked to create a PIN. Go ahead and set that up. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.